I am so excited to show you the Grantley floor plan. This is a 5,100 square foot floor plan, and I freaking love it. You just come on it, just come on it. So if you're looking in Caliterra, this is gonna be an idea of what you're gonna get. Now, they have this right now listed at $1.49 million, so $1.5 million, but it is a 5,100 square foot home. This is gonna be a good representation of what you can buy at the high end of the price point here. This home is gigantic. Let me just give you a quick tour. Okay, so when you walk into Grantley, there's a lot of really cool things that you're gonna like. Obviously, there's an office over this direction, but what I wanna show you is the mother-in-law suite. Yes, the mother-in-law suite. So the mother-in-law suite is pretty sweet. Come on. The mother-in-law suite is pretty sweet. Look, I'm here all day to make jokes, okay? Listen, this is in the mother-in-law suite. Now, as I bang into couches and things like that, this is not a garage. This isn't staged for like, oh, later they're gonna change this into a garage. This is the mother-in-law like living room, social hour area. I mean, look, oh, hello, sweetheart, bring me some more coffee. Like, can you imagine your grandma or your mom hanging out in here? She's looking out the window over here. She's got her 82-inch TV on the wall over here. This room is gigantic. You literally could have a party in here, and this isn't even the bedroom. Look how big this bedroom is. Look, I can't even do the stretch thing. Like, it's so big. So I love what Drees has done. So Drees is a great builder, in my opinion. We've had quite a few clients build with Drees, but look how gigantic this room is. It is huge. Your mom, your mother-in-law, your friends, those people that come over that bug you, you throw them over here. They can watch their own, like, you know, those Cowboy fans or those 49er fans you don't want watching the football game with you. You put them up in this room. They stay in this room, okay? Then look at this closet. Your mom's gonna get a gigantic closet. How freaking cool is that? The other thing, look at this bathroom camera guy. So this room has its own separate shower, its own separate bathroom. It's got its own separate living room. You could probably convert that into a kitchen up there. And we haven't even got past the front door. Let's go see the rest. What's crazy about this is all you've seen right now is probably like 3,000 square feet. It's not. They're like 3,000 square feet of the front of the house, and we aren't even like into the hallway. What you're gonna love about this floor plan is how tall the ceilings are and the entry, how wide it is. But here's what's crazy. I have never seen a laundry room this big in my life. Like, if you're gonna be buying maybe a $2-3 million home, I just showed it. We did a property tour, camera guy, $5.7 million home, and it maybe is the same size as this. Come check this out. Look how big this laundry room is. Look how big this laundry. You could have a party in your laundry room. You could actually, you know what you could do? Those like annoying people that you don't like to come stay with you. You throw a cot in here and then you run laundry. I love the mud bench. I love this. I think if you're going to build a home and have an entry from the garage, you always definitely want to have something like this. But oh, look at this, hold on. This is, you know, this is just the closet in the laundry. I mean, all of your laundry soaps, everything right there. But imagine you can add more shelving in here. Like, let's see the garage while we're here, right? Check this out, camera guys. So this is a tandem garage. What's kind of tough is this is a 2-car with a tandem. So you got a spot over here for your water softener, right? You don't always need these in Texas, but a water softener unit does come in handy. So bingo bango, have that guy. Okay, we're back inside finally. And I haven't even got to like tell you all the cool stuff in this house yet. I haven't even got to see all the cool stuff in this house yet. So now that you've made it into like the kitchen area, what you're gonna put right here temporarily is like a round table, right? But imagine me, a Christmas tree. I love a round staircase because you have a great spot that's always gonna be your Christmas tree. Imagine all the gifts you're gonna be walking through on Christmas Day, tripping over the gifts right here. And you haven't even made it past your entry. Are you exhausted? I'm already exhausted. So I like what they've done in here. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this backsplash per se, but you tell me, is this like your favorite backsplash in the world? I want to hear from you there. I do like the range hood. I like that they've taken the cabinets from like floor to ceiling, as they call it. So you have even more space up there. What I do like about what they've done here is that you have a two-tone cabinets, right? So the island's a different color. I think that's pretty important. When you're building a home, do you want a two-tone cabinet like this? You drop a comment below, head this way. How do we feel about the size of this pantry? You tell me. For a 5,100 square foot house, is this pantry big enough? These are like really, really tall ceilings. The problem you're gonna have with super tall ceilings is that when those lights go out, they are gonna be a pain in the rear to replace. Yet, they look really good. But look, you have giant windows out here, which means you're gonna have lots of natural light. I mean, what's cool about this is you have a really big space. I can imagine having big family dinners here for lots of people over to watch the 49ers beat the Cowboys. Did you guys see that game? Jeez. Let's talk about the other reason why somebody's going to move to a neighborhood like this, and that is the schools. So the schools here are Walnut Springs Elementary, Dripping Springs Middle School, and then Dripping Springs High School. The reason why I moved to Dripping Springs specifically was a school district. It is rated an A by niche.com. It is actually rated the second best school district in all of the Austin area in Central Texas, behind Eanes ISD. I just did a video on my YouTube channel about this. You can find that. So there's a lot of reasons why people are moving just for the schools. All three of those schools I mentioned for this neighborhood are all rated an A, except for the high school. It's rated an A+. So let's talk about the things around the neighborhood. So when you think about Dripping Springs, a lot of people think that there's nothing out here, and you would actually kind of be right. There is an H-E-B really close to Caliterra. Like I said, we're off of Ranch Road 12 and 290. So you have the historic downtown. If you ever want to go boot scooting downtown, there's Mercer's down on Main over there. People are boot scooting on the weekend and doing all their fun line dancing. There's good bars and restaurants in that little area. And right next to this neighborhood, a fun thing to do is to go to Twisted X Brewery. Now, I personally, and I made videos told you, I kind of quit drinking, but I love to go there just for the ambiance. They've got really good food there. And on top of that, if you're a beer drinker, a beer connoisseur, they actually have really, really good beers at Twisted X Brewery. You go the opposite direction down Ranch Road 12, and you're gonna hit some of the best hill country places, like my camera guy loves, Treaty Oak. Just down the road, you have Dripping Springs Distillery. The other direction, you have Deep Eddies. So there's a lot of really cool hill country breweries, distilleries, and fun stuff. Oh yeah, and by the way, a quick shot down the road and you're into Wimberley, the historic downtown Wimberley. You can go, float the river down there, enjoy all the fun stuff. So there's a lot of stuff right in this area. On top of that, Homespun, which is one of my favorite restaurants, is right down the street as well. So the location might be 45 minutes from downtown Austin, but you get a lot of stuff out here. On top of that, if you do want to hit some other restaurants, you are probably about 15 to 20 minutes from the Belterra Shopping Center, where there's tons of great stuff like Torchy's. If you're a Torchy's person, personally, I'm a Taco Deli person. You drop a comment below, Taco Deli versus Torchy's. I want to hear. Let's start the fight right now. Hey, glad to see you on the second floor. I didn't run up here, you ran up here. This is really cool because you have a gigantic game room. Remember, this is a 4-5 bedroom because you have the mother-in-law suite. It's got this huge loft area right here, and then it's got a media room right behind it, which we're gonna show you in a second. But look how gigantic this is. Camera guy's gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Bye, camera guy. Look how big this is. Look how big this is. This is gigantic. I love it. Hello, camera guy. So we are in the media room. What do you think about the size of this media room? This is a gigantic, well, I wouldn't say gigantic. This is a great size media room. And we haven't even shown you the bedrooms. This house, remember, is 5,100 square feet. It's gigantic. What do you think so far about the Grantley? Is this like a floor plan you would buy? Is this like one of those floor plans you'd say, hey, Jeremy, we're thinking about buying a home and you showed this Grantley floor plan. Where else can we find this home? Guess what? You can reach out and we can show you where all the floor plans that they have available throughout the Austin area. Maybe you want to build this somewhere else and you're like, hey, Jeremy, we still want to you to help us find an agent in a different area. We can help you. That's what we do here. Okay, here's the deal. I'm getting a little tired, so I'm gonna let the camera guy show you the bedrooms and then we'll reconvene in a minute. Ready? Go. How would you like to see the master bedroom or the main bedroom? Are we still calling it the master bedroom? Did the master bedroom get canceled? I don't know. You drop a comment below. Is it canceled or not? Gigantic master bedroom. Absolutely gigantic. I like the really tall ceilings. Let me actually just show you some quick B-roll of this bedroom so you can see how big it is. Go. Did you think that we would actually jump cut from the bedroom to me in the bathtub? We did. We did. Good job, camera guy. I'm a big fan of bathtubs that are separate from the shower, which we're going to show you the walk-through shower here. This is definitely like a party tub. It's nice and wide, but it's not lengthy. So that's my only negative here is that I wish this was long. What do you think? What are your thoughts here? Do you think the tub is a nice size? I want to hear from you. I'm going to show you the walk-through shower. Here we go. Hey, this is the other side of the shower. Pretty cool, right? I don't know why we had to show you a shot of the toilet, but we did, because that's what we do here on this channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's check out the patio. Now, what's great is right over here, you could put a full TV right here and have a huge, gigantic spot. Look what they've done over here. They've actually put a fireplace out here. This is a very large patio. And when you're getting a neighborhood like this, what's cool is you have a green spot. So like this house right here, this is a 75-foot lot. You actually got a lot of green space behind you back here. So you can sit and enjoy. I know there's construction going on next door, but what's really cool is that you have this great space out here. When you want to have family around and people around, it's a great spot to drink beers. Maybe you're playing beer pong out here. I don't know. I'm not judging. I'm just saying maybe you're doing beer pong. That's fine. Maybe you want to put a fireplace out here. Maybe you want just a row of grills and make this a huge outdoor kitchen island area out here, and then you throw a pool back here. The possibilities are endless with a patio like this. Let's get back in the house. Yeah, it's at 1.429. You want to know what incentives there are in the home? Oh, sure. I can give you a list of incentives. Hold on a second. If you want a list of incentives for this builder, Drees, on this floor plan or any other builder, definitely reach out to us. And oh, by the way, this is the part of the video where we go our separate ways, where you like and drop a comment below, decide whether you're going to call us or not. And then secondly, you're going to subscribe, and then you're going to share this with a friend because you love these videos. So we'll see you in the next one.